I want to address one of the biggest challenges and the most significant missed opportunity I'm seeing from my clients: email marketing and automation. I'm hearing over and over again either I don't have an email list, I have an email list, however, I'm not doing anything with it, or I'm not getting results from emailing my list. The industry says that the return on investment for email marketing is for every $1 spent, $44 is returned. Like, who doesn't want that kind of return on investment? If you're email challenged and you want to take advantage of this valuable asset, come join me in the Email Marketing and Automation Workshop. It's a half-day workshop where you'll learn email best practices, and then you'll put that knowledge to work building email campaigns and automations. You will leave that workshop with actual emails and campaigns you can implement right away.